We had a great experience today. We had a bunch of nice ladies. Some I knew, some that I didn't and got to meet with. So not only was the painting enjoyable, but the company was really fun also. This is my second experience with Caleb painting. The first one was the watermelon. Caleb was so easy to work with. He made it so much more interesting and easy. I used to do acrylics many years ago, but with watercolor, it's totally different style. The fact that it only takes 3 colors is another good thing about this class. He's introduced us into mixing 2 colors to make an entirely different color, or painting over one color and then laying over another color to give it an entirely different look. So that was what I found exciting today, was being able to learn new techniques, new ways of doing things, and finding out that it doesn't have to be expensive to enjoy a hobby like watercoloring. And so I look forward to our next class that he's going to be doing. I know that I'll just be able to get better and better, because with Caleb, with his techniques and his patience and his tutoring, I know that I will enjoy it as much as I did this one, and I will keep learning things that I can use on my own. That's what I'm looking forward to. I've already started painting on my own, and I'm having a little bit of success at it, and so I appreciate that. I'm very happy with today's class, and I look forward to our next class.